Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you the benefits of practicing yoga. Practicing yoga daily offers number of health benefits. Let's take a look of proven benefits of practicing yoga. Practicing yoga improves flexibility and posture. Yoga enhance bone density. It supports weight loss. It brings down blood sugar levels. Practicing yoga can detoxify your body. Yoga strengthens your immune system. Practicing yoga is good for your heart, and it improves your blood circulation. Yoga aids with anger management. Yoga improves breathing and can prevent against bronchitis, asthma, and other respiratory illnesses. Yoga strengthens your body and prevents back pain. Yoga helps you in the recovery of previous wounds. Yoga helps you maintain a healthy lifestyle and better work-life balance. Practicing yoga daily improves concentration.